Well, the warmer weather is about to return to the Treasure Valley.
Yes, it is. We're going back to 90 degrees this weekend. That's going to feel kind of nice.
Yeah.
But next week is when we could start seeing temperatures low to mid 90s, so it's going to get a little toasty.
Okay.
Don't think we're headed towards the record range, but it is going to remind us that we are in, after all, still technically a summertime pattern. Time-lapse video, one of the things that we are dealing with today here in the Treasure Valley is a little more smoke. Now, it's not as bad as it was like last week, but there you can see the smoke starting to fill in. The reason why is that nice, cool northwesterly flow that we had yesterday really helped to push the smoke down to the south and to the east. We're losing the influence of that northwesterly flow, and as a result, the fires from the Pioneer, the smoke, and also the smoke from the Cherry Road fire, all that's kind of starting to fill in to the Treasure Valley. So lots of sunshine is expected, although it could be smoky at times. Warmer temperature readings for sure. It's going to be a toasty weekend. As I mentioned before, temperatures are going to be approaching the low 90s. There is a little bit of shower activity in Idaho, but it's way down here over the southeastern part of the state. This is associated with that monsoon flow. This is some of the shower activity that we typically see this time of the year, but we are just in too dry of an air mass to have any of these showers move in our general direction. So the high temperature so far today, 82. There's the average, 87. In fact, that average yesterday was 88. It's now 87 degrees, so we are cooling off with the lower sun angles that we're getting. But there's the record for the state, 100 degrees set back in 1888, and last night was cooler than normal as well at 55 degrees for the overnight low. So now what's going to be taking over and driving our weather in the days to come is this high pressure that's sitting off the coastline here. What we have been under the influence is that nice northwesterly flow. This has been a nice cool air mass, but the cool flow is moving out. As the high pressure begins to settle in, it's going to start giving us a little bit more of a westerly flow. So that's air that's coming in from the Pacific Ocean, and by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the model's indicating that this flow is actually going to go southwest, so southwesterly flow means hotter, drier desert air is going to be moving into our direction. But for right now, Saturday and Sunday, temperatures of 90 degrees expected with lots of sunshine. It's going to be just a beautiful weekend. Again, the smoke could be an issue, but that's the way things are shaping up right now. Here's the overnight lows and the daytime highs region by region tomorrow. In the Treasure Valley, we'll see a high of about 86 degrees. Meridian at 85, overnight lows tonight, mid-50s. So that's still technically a degree or two cooler than average. But you're going to notice that it's getting warmer. In Emmett, up in that beautiful valley, we'll see a high of 85. Weiser at 89, Ontario at 87. Cascade and McCall will both see temperatures mid to upper 70s. Now, let's check the 7-day forecast. Watch what happens with this trend in the temperatures. 90 degrees on Saturday, 91 on Sunday, 92 on Monday. That southwest flow really kicks in on Tuesday. We could go 93 degrees by Tuesday, and then a weak disturbance slides by. We'll see if it happens around Wednesday. All it will do is probably just drop our temperatures a little bit. The mountains will see lots of sunshine this weekend with temperature readings on Saturday and Sunday approaching 80 degrees for daytime highs. This pattern could actually stay locked in place through the Memorial Day, excuse me, the Labor Day, the Labor Day holiday coming up a week from this weekend. Wouldn't that be something?
So you're saying clear sailing, clear skies anyway, and sun all the way through Labor Day? Yeah, it looks like it could really stay very, very dry all the way through the Labor Day.
Incredible.
We're going to have to start doing a rain dance here pretty soon, though.
Let's take